Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my video. In today's video, I will give you solution of your geography chapter 5, that is realms of the earth. Okay, so let's start this video with all solution of this chapter. So let's start. First question of this chapter, section A. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. So dear viewers, in this video of this chapter, I will give only solution of all questions. Okay, so you write all questions of your book. Okay, so first question of section A, answer is correct option. Correct answer is Africa. Second question, correct answer is Mediterranean. Third question, correct answer is Swiss. And fourth question, correct answer is S. And fifth question, correct answer is 1600 kilometer. Okay. Next, we will proceed. Exercise B. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. So first, in this section, first statement is true, second statement is false, third statement is false. So correct statement is Arctic Ocean in the north and Mediterranean Sea in the south. Okay. Fourth statement is true, fifth statement is again false. So correct statement, high pressure to low pressure areas. Okay. Next, section C, filling the blanks. So first question, correct answer Mariana Trench. Second answer Panama Canal. Third question answer is Indian. Fourth question answer is light heavy. And fifth question answer is plant animal. I hope all solutions are very helpful to you. Next, we will proceed. Next section, that is D, match the following. So first, Asia, correct match is largest continent. Second, Antarctica, correct match frozen continent. Third, Pacific Ocean, correct match is largest ocean. Fourth, nitrogen, correct match most abundant gas in air. Fifth, carbon dioxide, correct match greenhouse gas. Okay. So dear viewers, here all objective question is completed. Next we will proceed question answer part of this chapter. So first section E question is answer the following question in the 10 to 20 words. So first question of this section, name the landform features that separate Europe from Asia. So answer is Ural mountain separates Europe from Asia. Question 2, which is smallest continent? By what other name do we often call it? So answer is Australia is the smallest continent of the world. We often called as island continent. Question 3 of section E is why does the earth appear blue from space? So answer is earth appears blue from the space because 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Okay. Next question 4 of section E is name the 5 layers of the atmosphere. So answer is 5 layers of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Question 5 of section E is, what is the relationship between air temperature and air pressure? So answer is, the degree of hotness or coldness of the air surrounding us is called air temperature. The pressure which the air around us exert on the earth's surface is called air pressure. It depends on the temperature of air and altitude. Question 6. Next, question 6. What is an ecosystem? So answer of this question, a distinct zone in the biosphere with its own climate, plant and animal is known as ecosystem. Here your section E, all questions answer is completed. Let's proceed next section of this chapter, that is section F. Answer the following question in 50 to 70 words. So first question of this section is, why the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean? Okay, so answer of this question is, the coast along the Atlantic Ocean are very irregular. They provide excellent location for ports and harbors. That is why the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean in terms of passenger and cargo traffic. Next, question 2 of section F is, describe the composition of the atmosphere. So answer of this question is, the atmosphere consists of a mixture of gases, water vapor, dust particles, pollen grains and many impurities like smoke, salts and other chemicals are also present in varying quantities. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas found in the atmosphere, constituting 78% of it. Oxygen constitutes 21%. The remaining 1% is made up of gases such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium and ozone. Okay, here section F, all questions solution is completed. Next we will proceed section G. Answer the following question in 80 to 100 words. So first question of section G, what is the importance of lithosphere? So answer is, importance of lithosphere are as follows. First, consists of a variety of rocks and minerals which are used in construction, in industries and as fuels. Second, provide us with land that is put to various uses. Third, provide us with soil, the most essential requirement for agriculture. Okay. Next, question 2 of section G is, how is the hydrosphere useful to us? Answer is, the hydrosphere is useful to us in many ways. First, the water cycle is one of the factors that make life possible on earth. Second, water in the air results in weather phenomena. Third, oceans have a moderating effect on the climate of coastal region. Fourth, waterways serve as a cheap means of transport. Fifth, electricity can be generated from water. Sixth, the ocean waters are home to a great variety of marine life, which is a source of livelihood to many people. Okay. Question 3 of section G is, name the components of the atmosphere and describe how they are useful to us. Answer is, the components of the atmosphere are useful to us in many ways. First is, nitrogen is required to maintain the fertility of the soil. Second is, Oxygen is the gas that living beings need. Third, carbon dioxide helps plant to produce food in the presence of sunlight. It also keeps the earth warm by observing the heat radiated from the surface. Fourth, ozone protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Fifth, the water vapor in the atmosphere causes precipitation. Sixth, the dust particles from the nucleus for condensation, which results in the formation of cloud. Next, question 4 of section G. Why do you think we should maintain a balance among all the realms of the earth? So, answer of this question is, there is a delicate natural balance among all the realms of the earth. A small change in one affects the others too. For example, deforestation results in soil erosion and reduction of the groundwater level. Increase in air temperature causes glaciers to melt and the sea level to rise. All the realms have a natural capacity to regenerate and purify themselves. However, to meet the demands of a rapidly growing population, more and more of the natural resources are being used up, forests are being cleared, common minerals are being recklessly extracted for stuff. Thus there is an urgent need to protect our environment and maintain the balance among all the realms of the earth. So dear viewers, here all solution of this chapter is completed. I hope all solution very useful to you for making your notes. So thank you for watching.